Today we're learning how to make 3 double crochet stitches in one stitch. This technique adds fullness and creates a fan-like effect. Let's get started. Begin with a slip knot on your hook. Chain the desired number of stitches. Then add 2 more for the turning chain. Now, let's make our first double crochet. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. We're going to make 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. Yarn over and insert the hook into the same stitch. Complete the double crochet as before. Repeat one more time. You've just made 3 double crochet stitches in one stitch. Now, let me demonstrate this technique one more time in the next stitch. Watch closely as I repeat the process. To maintain an even edge, we'll make a chain in the next stitch. Continue this pattern across the row, 3 double crochet in one stitch. Congratulations! You've mastered the 3 double crochet in one stitch technique. This creates a beautiful scalloped or shell effect in your crochet work.